Hello guys, in this video we are gonna talk about how to permanently delete your YouTube account. It can be from any browser, it can be your Chrome, it can be your Brave, you just need to have a browser. You just open the browser here, go to the search option, type in youtube.com. Here, when you go to this section, you need to press on YouTube. Here on the top right corner, you need to see the option here. Here is your channel option. You need to click on it and go to the YouTube Studios. Here, you need to go to the settings section here, little left corner, left bottom corner. Here, the setting option. You need to click on it, and then you need to go to the channel. In channels, you need to go to the advanced settings and scroll down a bit, and you need to see the options remove YouTube content. After pressing on it, what you need to do, you need to go to the I want to permanently delete my content. Then you need to click on this, delete my content, and here you need to type in your email address and confirm all the details you need to pop up here and then delete your content, delete your account permanently. And this is the easiest step, one of the quickest method to delete your account. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace out.